Cursor AI tutorial and review. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Cursor AI and whether or not this is the best code editing tool. So let's jump right in. What exactly is Cursor? Cursor is an AI tool that is a tool that you can download onto your desktop. Once you download this onto your desktop, you can build and make yourself more extraordinarily productive. Cursor is the best way to code with AI. You guys can see that they have been trusted with engineers at multiple different large businesses. So you know your code base and the Cursor AI platform actually understands it. You can build software faster, it has a familiar feel, frontier intelligence, and privacy options. So let's jump right in. To get started with Cursor, head on over to cursor.com. Once you do, you will see multiple different download options. So I'm going to download this for Mac OS. You can download this for your own systems, whether it is Windows, Linux, and you have multiple different variations. At the time of this video, 1.3 is the most recent version of Cursor, which we are going to download. Once you download the relevant version of Cursor, you will find it on your top right, and you're just going to complete your installation. Now, once you have completed your installation, you're going to open up the Cursor application. So this is what the Cursor AI tool looks like. You can click on sign up over here to get started with your sign up process on Cursor. So you guys can see it is now signing us up, and I'm going to continue with Google to create my Cursor account. From here, I'm just going to be selecting my Google account to complete this process, and I'm going to allow it access to my email address and some basic information so that our trial on Cursor can get started. So we're going to be proceeding on, and you can start your pro trial as well, or you can skip that if you do not want a pro trial right now. Once you do that, you can click on Get Started, and just like so, Cursor is ready. Now, this is the Cursor agent that you can use, and then we have our Cursor app. We can log on to Cursor over here, click on Yes, Login, allow Cursor, and then click on Open Cursor. And now from here, you have their AI code editor. Now, you can skip and continue or directly import as well. You can choose however you want your theme to look like, and then click on Continue. Now, you have a Quick Start tab, which allows you to get started with an agent, a Cursor tab where you can predict your next moves, and an inline edit, where you can edit your code with AI. So if you already have code that you want to edit, you can choose inline edits. But if you want to get started with a brand new code and you're getting started from scratch, then you can use agent. However, if you're in the process of coding and you just want some additional help, you can go with Cursor tab. Now, you guys can also see you have VS Code, VM, Emacs, and Sublime Text. So we're going to proceed with agent, and I'm fine with Cursor learning from my code, and then I'm going to click on Continue. After that, you can set up your language as well as open from terminal. So I'm going to click on Continue, and just like so, we have opened up Cursor. So this is the Cursor application, and I'm just going to open this up just like so. So this is our Cursor application. Now from here, you can clone a repo, connect via SSH, or click on Open Project to open up a brand new project. But I want to get started from scratch. So from here, I can go on ahead, and on the right, I can select Agent, and after that, I can go with Auto. You can see you even have the ability to include images, but I want to build a simple color matching game. Now from here, it's going to plan and help me build. First off, it's giving me a game concept. Would you like to proceed with this setup, or would you want it in a different language or framework? Now, this is a game that displays a color. The player is shown several colors. The name of the button, no, I don't want it to be like this. So the game should have a large grid with different colors in gem-like squares, matching 3 of the same colored squares gives you a point, and the squares disappear. The game does not have any levels. Now I have provided more context on how I want to clarify my match 3 color game, and now it has provided a new description. So I want to proceed. Okay, build this, and then I have this in queue. So let's get started by creating files and implementing the basic game. Now I'm going to wait and we're going to send this out, which is our next command to actually build the application for us, just like so. And obviously when you're building the game, it's going to take more time. It's not going to be instantaneous as, as quick as it is when it's just replying to you. So right now it is building my game in HTML. If you want, you guys can see it has different versions. You can ask it for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and from here I'm going to let it, build the entire game, and we're going to click on accept over here, and from here it's going to go with CSS. And you guys can see on the left, if you want to launch Cursor from command line, you can add the code in Cursor. So you can click on install code, click on OK. Then you're going to have to allow these changes within your device. And just like so, this is our code. So copy these into index.html in the same directory and open in your browser to play. So just like so, you have this brand new Cursor game which you can play. Now, this is just one feature. If you want, you can also proceed with some of the other features within Cursor, because Cursor is not just a tool for building applications or creating applications. It's actually an AI tool that is meant to edit your code. So if you see, you can even see your marketplace here. You can connect this to GitHub as well. And you have the ability to add Python language support, GitHub pull requests, debugger for Java, extension packs for Java, and much, much more. And you can make any of your own manual edits within the code as well. Now, Cursor does have the web version, but the web version is not optimized for, full creation of applications. So it is actually easier to use the actual desktop application whenever you're building with Cursor. And you might say this tool must be super expensive. Well, it's actually not expensive at all. When it comes to Cursor's pricing, Cursor is a free tool. They have a pro 2-week free trial with limited agent requests and limited tab completions on their free version. After that, they have their Pro and Ultra versions starting at $20 and $200, and you can save 20% by opting for a yearly subscription on the Pro plan. Now, in this, you have extended limits on agents, unlimited tab completions, access to background agents, as well as access to bug bots, and access to maximum context windows. And on the Ultra, you have 20x usage on all models, as well as priority access to new features. So it's truly a tool that can help you in building software faster. Whether you're editing or planning or creating, everything can be done very quickly with the help of Cursor. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.